Welcome to our video on billing options for support and ad hoc projects. This scenario is designed for typical IT companies who have numerous small or ad hoc jobs, such as customer support calls. We recommend that instead of setting up numerous projects, you set up just one configured to bill several clients. This solution allows you to have a minimum number of projects that bill the same function. To set this option up in our system, let's go to my project, Support Ad Hoc Incidents, and under the Configuration Properties, I'm going to choose my Time and Expenses tab. I'll put a check in the box to include the ability to specify my customer in my timesheet, and I'm going to save this. To show you what this will look like, let's go to Alan's current timesheet, and I'm going to add a couple customer support calls. The first one is for 15 minutes. If I double click on this cell, I will get a comments box. And it's very important that you put accurate information in here, as this will show up on your customer's invoice. The call was about timesheet setup, so that's what I'll indicate here. And here you can see where our configuration comes into play. I'm able to select the customer I'm speaking with so that I can bill them. It was Liberty Mutual Insurance. And if I select OK, I will go back to my timesheet. Here I want to add a second call. In order to do that, I will click the plus sign and add another support line. Here we'll put in a call that lasted a little bit longer, and I will double click on the cell again. This support call was in regards to billing, and this customer was actually different. This time around it was Fidelity Investments. Let's go back to our timesheet, and you can see that I have both of my customers listed to the right. Let's save this timesheet. And another option to add time that's directly associated with a customer is to do that through your calendar. Let's select this icon. And on Monday, I will select 11 a.m. Here I'll get a screen where I can record time that's associated with the customer as well. I'm going to put down that there was a 10-minute call, and I am going to make this a Fidelity Investments call again. I'll make sure that my project is still my support project, and in description, we'll notate this was again in regards to billing questions. When I'm finished entering all of my information, I will mark that this task is complete, and I'll save it. To see what's billable, I'm going to go to Tracking and Transactions. Here I'll filter my project by typing in the word support. And we can quickly see that I have several customers that are billable in this time frame, and I can see the amount of time that I spent speaking with them. It's very important that your employees track their time accurately. However, if you choose to set up minimums on the time that you bill your customer, you can do that within the system as well. Let's set that up within our project configuration, and we'll go to Invoice Configuration since this is related to billing. Under my Grouping tab, I am going to set my minimum billing time to half an hour, and I'm going to save this entry. By setting up the system to allow you to select the customer for every entry of your project, either within the timesheet or within the calendar, you'll save much time within the billing processes. Thank you very much.